Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bob built on Bitcoin token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Bob is building the gateway to Bitcoin, DeFi, unlocking real world utility for world's most important assets by focusing Bitcoin's unmatched security with Ethereum versatility. Bobs creates premier destination for Bitcoin liquidity, application and institutions. Bob's hybrid chain uniquely combines ZK proofs and BTC staking to create native bridge to both Ethereum and Bitcoin BitVM. Bob's multi-chain gateway lets users swap Bitcoin into any assets or deposit directly into DeFi across 11 plus chains powered by BTC intents. Bob token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.2 billion. Bob token is listed on Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% up to, if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.